The truth is the truth, and it's the same truth, you know, but for some reason, you know, you get a glimpse and it's not very, you know, it's true, it's great, you know, and then maybe you get a deeper, you know, consciousness or awakening. I don't know.
Yeah, I just gotta, for me, like, I feel my who me isn't very deep because I'm the one looking, I'm the one perceiving everything, but when I contemplate and is put your focus on the subject, I can't put my attention on me because I'm not an object, so I kind of spend a lot of time just like clarifying.
Yeah, you're not an object. This is true, even if it's just hearsay, you see? It's not that useful if it's hearsay, but you are still you. Yeah. You have to be an object, you know? Just you. And don't focus on this object, non-object stuff. I would recommend that you don't. You can do whatever you want. But, you know, this object, you know, non-object, you're just confusing yourself. You know, it's like when somebody's, you know, insisting simply because their mind does these things. You see, I can't find myself, I have no location, you see, I am nothingness, whatever, I'm, you know, blah, blah, zoom, zoom. It doesn't help. You think it doesn't help. It's all intellectual. See? You're just fucking around with these ideas. You're not forbidden to fuck around with ideas. Okay, you can do it if you want, but I'm just saying. Doesn't help. Doesn't help. Nobody that, you know, I'm just, I was surprised when I got what I am, in a sense, you see? I never suspected that. You know what I'm saying? And nobody told me anything. Nobody told me, you know, oh, you are nothing, you see, you are being with infant, blah, blah, blah. Nobody, I didn't have any of that shit, thank God. It's like, holy crap. See? So it was very clear I wasn't just doing hearsay, right? Or trying to fill in a belief, because I didn't believe it. I didn't have it. And the idea never occurred to me. So I was kind of surprised. See? It's like, whoa. Yeah, okay. I don't know you'd call it surprise, but, you know, I didn't expect it, see? It wasn't something I was going, oh, yes, I will experience nothingness, you see, or infinite oneness with all things, yes. Yeah. No, I didn't. I will experience being God. I will experience, you know, because I didn't have any of that shit. And I would recommend you toss it out, too. I have recommended that. You know, and again, you see, we're only going for the truth.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.